Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make Leche Flan with gelatin. First, let's create that beautiful caramel base. You'll need about 1 cup of granulated sugar, gently melted in your anura or chosen mold over low heat, swirling occasionally. Once it transforms into a lovely amber, carefully tilt the mold to evenly coat the bottom and a bit up the sides. This step is crucial for that classic flan presentation and delicious first bite. Be careful, as the caramel is very hot. Next, we'll prepare the rich custard mixture. In a large bowl, whisk together 10 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 can of evaporated milk until smooth. For an extra layer of flavor, stir in 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Now for our special ingredient, gelatin. Dissolve 2 packets of unflavored gelatin in about 1/2 cup of hot water, ensuring there are no lumps. This will give our flan that perfect, firm yet jiggly texture. Now it's time to bring everything together. Gradually pour the dissolved gelatin into your custard mixture, whisking continuously to ensure it's fully incorporated. This prevents any lumps and ensures a smooth texture. Next, carefully strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve directly into your caramel-lined anura. This step removes any remaining egg solids, guaranteeing a silky smooth flan. Steam the flan for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, or until it's firm to the touch. Once your Leche Flan is perfectly steamed, let it cool down completely at room temperature. This prevents condensation and helps it set properly. For the best results, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 4 hours, though overnight is even better. The cold helps the gelatin fully set and makes for easier unmolding. When ready to serve, simply run a thin knife around the edges, invert it onto a plate, and admire your beautiful, wobbly creation. Enjoy your delicious homemade Leche Flan.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.